The ultimate beach getaway is waiting for you here in North Carolina. Welcome to Wander Kure Beach. I'm Sarah, and I'm going to be giving you a tour of this stunning oceanfront property that has 7 bedrooms, 7.5 bathrooms, a saltwater pool, an elevator, and so much more. So let's take a look inside. There are a few ways to enter this property. You can enter right here on the lower floor. This leads to the 2-car garage. There's also some games you can play inside. Or you can enter right up here. This is the 2nd floor and the main living area. You're going to be blown away by this property. Let's go inside. Upon entering the house, you're met with cathedral ceilings, nautical-inspired decor, and gorgeous views of the ocean from the windows in the living room. This is an open concept beach house. Right on this side is our wet bar area. There is a wine fridge here and tons of beautiful glassware. So if you want to make a great cocktail, you want to pour yourself a nice glass of wine and enjoy the views, this is the spot to come. Moving more into the kitchen area, we have this gorgeous island, and there are 5 bar stools here so people can watch you cook. The kitchen is just filled with everything a chef could need to make a fabulous meal, including high-end cookware. We have spices, appliances, and more. One of the nice touches I loved about this is actually a seaside cookbook here, so you can get some inspiration from the surrounding areas and make yourself a great meal. But if you'd like, we could also arrange a private chef to come and cook a lovely meal for you, which can be served right on this farmhouse style dining table with seating for 10 and this gorgeous pendant chandelier. And in addition, there is more seating right here for 3. So no matter how large your group is, everyone will have a seat. Now, if you have little ones, don't worry, we have you covered with that too. We have a high chair and all different types of kids dishware, glasses, forks, knives. It is fantastic. As a mom, this is so convenient when traveling because you don't have to worry about bringing that with you. Here at Wander, we have everything for you. I am in love with this living room. There is so much seating, which makes it perfect for a large gathering. This couch could easily sit 10 people. You also have these standalone leather chairs right here. The exposed ceiling beams are stunning and add that rustic vibe to this modern room. This fireplace is so cozy, and you can actually change the settings here to make it all different types of colors, which is really fun. There's also a Samsung TV here with a Sonos soundbar. This is a great place to watch a movie after a long day of enjoying the sunshine on the beach, or from the living room, you can walk out to this beautiful pool overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, which by the way is super kid friendly. So if you do have little ones, no need to worry. There is a glass gate around the pool to protect them. There's tons of seating here. You even have a dining table where you can dine under the stars. This spot is amazing for sunset and sunrises. My favorite way to start the day here is to do a morning walk on the beach. And the great thing about Kure Beach is there's really not a lot of people out here, so it almost feels private. Right off from the living room, we have one of our many bedrooms. There's actually 7 bedrooms in this house, and this one has a king-size bed, a Samsung TV, and the most comfortable mattress you will ever sleep on. Here at Wander, we want you to sleep better here than you do at home, so we invest in the latest in sleep technology to make sure that you have an amazing night's rest. This room also has its own Ensuite bathroom with gorgeous black and white tiling, dual sinks, and a huge shower with penny round tiling. It is stunningly designed and one of the many Ensuite bathrooms that the bedrooms in this house have. On the other side of this living room, there is another bedroom. Heading down this hallway, we have a half bath here, and now we are in the 2nd bedroom on this floor, which has its own Ensuite bathroom, a queen size bed, and I love the nautical inspiration here with this wicker bed frame and also the fish net lamps, which are super chic. Next to them, you're going to notice these wireless cell phone chargers. This is one of the lovely things about all Wander properties. We want to make sure you stay connected no matter where you are, so don't worry about packing your phone charger, or if you forget it, you don't have to be concerned because this is going to be next to all the beds. Just slide your phone right on here and you stay charged no matter where you are. This room also has a Samsung TV, but wait, there is even more to this property. Let's head upstairs right now to see the primary bedrooms that have a very special feature you won't find in many vacation homes. Oh hey, it's just me and my private elevator. A great thing about this house is that it is fully accessible. The elevator starts at the ground floor in the garage, so you can bring your luggage right in there, and goes all the way to the third floor. That way you don't have to carry your luggage up the stairs. It's so convenient. Welcome to the third floor, which again is accessible via your own private elevator. From this floor you can see the gorgeous farmhouse chandelier, and on this floor we have 4 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and a bunk room. Let's check them out. Right from the stairs we have one of our 4 bedrooms that has an ensuite bathroom, and the 3 bedrooms that are in the front of the house have amazing ocean views and access via a sliding door to a deck. This is a great way to wake up in the morning. You just roll right out of bed, open the door, and look at the ocean. I love it. This room also has a cozy leather chair, which is perfect for reading, and you see the nautical design continued here with the wicker rug and the ocean blue lamps. This bathroom has lovely French doors and marble matte flooring. This bathroom has dual sinks, which is perfect for 2. The shower is huge and has a seat and frosted glass, allowing a little bit of sunlight in. One of the things you're gonna notice when you get to a Wander is the luxurious bath amenities here. We have shampoo, conditioner, body wash. It comes with a vanity kit, a shaving kit, a loofah. You'll notice the plush towels and the amazing Wander robes and slippers. I look forward to wearing these every single stay. We also have a blow dryer here, so don't worry about packing one. You'll have more luggage space. Let me show you the other primary bedrooms and a special feature that make them unique. Here we are in another one of the primary bedrooms. This has all of the features the other bedroom has, and it has a king size bed. There's also an ensuite bathroom here with another very large shower and dual sinks. All of the bedrooms on the third floor that are facing the ocean have a very special feature. It is the famous Wander Workstations. Let's get into it. One of the main benefits of staying at a Wander versus other vacation homes is our ultra modern workstations, and we have 3 here at Kure Beach. Plus we have high-speed internet across the entire property and ubiquity hardware, so no matter where you are, whether you're enjoying time at the pool or here inside, you will be connected. Each workstation has an Ermin Miller Aeron chair, which has the best back support of all chairs, and a sit-to-stand desk. There's also a Logitech Brio 4K camera, so you will look crystal clear in all of your video calls and won't even need a virtual background. Each desk also has a 38-inch extra wide LG curved monitor, and what I loved when I arrived is all I had to do was plug one wire into my computer and all of this was already connected for me. It made the whole process seamless and hassle-free. We here at Wander think of everything, including the really small details, like this Logitech Master mouse. This is the most comfortable mouse that you will ever use, so you can stay comfortable the whole time you're working at this ultra modern workstation. It's perfect for remote work or digital nomads. There are 3 additional bedrooms on this floor. One is right over here that has a queen size bed and an ensuite bathroom. We also have access to another washer and dryer right here, and then right here we have another bedroom with access to the deck and an ensuite bathroom, and down this way is the bunk room. There are 4 beds in this room. 2 are queen size and 2 are twins. This is great for kids. There's also wireless phone chargers right here for their convenience. This house has 2 laundry rooms, which is great because you don't have to go home with dirty clothes, and we supply you with everything you need for that, including laundry detergent, stain remover, and all of that. There's also an extra fridge in this room, which is wonderful if you're having a large gathering and you need a little bit extra space from the kitchen. What can make this even better? Well, it is Wander's state-of-the-art home automation technology. With your smartphone and a little Wander magic, you are able to control everything in this house, from unlocking the door to controlling the lights to even managing the temperature. So that's the interior of this modern oceanfront home. However, before you get here, there are a few other things that you should know about to enhance your stay. Our concierge team can help you out if you need advice on things to do, eat, or see in the area. We also have a travel guide for that. If you have any questions during your stay, simply text the number here on screen and we'll help you out. We here at Wander believe that humans are meant to explore the world and that these experiences are best when shared. Anyone can stay at one of our properties, and if you're an employer looking to unlock the ultimate employee perk, our Wander Teams program allows you to purchase Wander credits to use towards corporate retreats, awards for top performers, and as team-wide benefits. Head to wander.com/teams to learn more. Thanks so much for joining me at Wander Kure Beach. We can't wait to welcome you. Next, let's head to our travel guide because there's a ton of cool things to do here. You can check out our travel guide next. We'll see you soon. Bye.